In this second unit, we will look at the responsibilities of a food handler. As a food handler, you must ensure you are wearing clean and appropriate clothing at all times. You must ensure your personal hygiene levels are exemplary at all times. You must immediately report any symptoms or illnesses to your supervisor so that necessary action can be taken. You must ensure that the guidelines of the kitchen are followed to protect foods from contamination. It is important that a food handler understands the terms food safety and food safety hazards in the preparation and serving of food. In the preparation of food, no matter what role you have, food safety rules must be followed to avoid contamination or cross-contamination. If you do not follow food safety rules, you risk people becoming ill and requiring medical attention, which can be costly to the business.